Did you know that Wales is already second in the world for recycling? Ailgylchu. But this little banana skin can help us get to Rhif. If every person in Wales can recycle just one more banana skin a week in croen banana arall, then Wales can become the #1 recycling nation in the world. There are about 3.1 million people in Wales. We recycle about 130,000 tonnes of food waste to get to #1. We need to increase that by 5%. That works out of numbers at only 43 grams per person per week. You know what weighs about 43 grams? The average banana skin. Funny that. Into the food caddy it goes. So what becomes of that banana skin? It gets turned into renewable energy. And last year alone, enough food waste was recycled to power 15,000 o gartrefi. Dewch gyda ni. Your banana skin, along with the rest of your food waste caddy, goes here and broken down into a soupy mixture. Not exactly something you want for your lunch, but then something clever happened. That is turned into biogas, generating green energy for Wales. Enough to power homes, towns, and even castles.